Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be creating this 3D model in Fusion 360, a basic 3D exercise for beginners to help you get familiar with the workspace and tools. So just follow along step by step with me and let's jump right into the 3D modeling. So our first step is create new design. We can click on new or we can go to the file menu here and select new. Then we select part design and we click on create new. Okay, next we will make this profile and body with their dimension here. So we need to create a new sketch. Select this plane and we'll start the sketch with the midpoint line here. Select this center point. Select the line tool. Trace the profile according to the reference drawing. Okay, next we need to add the dimension to this profile. We click here and select the sketch dimension tool. This line is 200 millimeters. This line 90. This line 55. This line 10 millimeters. And this line 30 millimeters. Then apply a horizontal constraint between this point to this point. Make sure there's a padlock icon next to the sketch in the browser here that shows it's fully constrained. Next, we'll add the thickness for the sketch profile. Click on Solid tab and select the Extrude tool. Make sure the sketch profile is selected here. We can change the extrude direction here. Select to sides. Then input the side one thickness here. And the side two thickness here. Click OK. Then we'll move on to the next sketch profile. We'll also create this profile or body with their dimension. Okay, we create new sketch. Select this plane. Select the line tool. Trace the profile according to the reference drawing. Then we use the arc tool. Select 3-point arc. Ensure the tangent constraint is in a place between the two lines and the arc. Then we apply a coincident constraint between this point to this point, and also this point to this point. Then add a dimension to this line, 40 millimeters. And then we need to add a circle to this sketch profile. Select the circle tool. We can type the dimension directly here, 30 millimeters. Now that the sketch profile is complete, the next step is to add thickness to it. So click on Solid tab and select the Extrude tool. Make sure the sketch profile is selected here. We change the extrude direction here. Select to side. Then input the side 1 thickness here. And the side 2 thickness here. Click OK. Next, we'll create this profile or contour on this body. So create new sketch. Select this face. Select midpoint line. Then select the line tool. Trace the profile according to the reference drawing. Then apply a vertical constraint between this point to this point. Okay, next we need to add the dimension to this profile. We click here and select the sketch dimension tool. This line is 60 millimeters. This line 8 millimeters. And then add a dimension from this point to this point, 10 millimeters. Next, we'll extrude this sketch profile to create a cut. Click on Solid tab and select the Extrude tool. Make sure the sketch profile is selected here. Change the operation type here and choose the cut option. In Extend type, select to Object. Then select this face. Click OK. Okay, the next step is to add fillets on the edges that have a radius as shown in the reference drawing. Okay, we select the fillet tool. Select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Input the radius value here, 8 millimeters. And click OK. And now our exercise 3D model is complete, created exactly according to the reference drawing. And also with that, our tutorial is complete. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question or suggestion, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.